Bandit 65 XP. This is the coupler. It goes this way. Inside this coupler, on this side, there is a nut. It goes here. On the shaft, there is a pin, cotter pin, and a key pin, and they both weren't there. So the nut got undone, and this thing fell out. Well, that's good. But this thing was wearing out so bad. I got this thing used. This cheaper, so didn't know till it fell off. Anyways, hopefully it helps to someone to figure out how it all works together, because I haven't seen much videos on those. Basically, it's a kit that cost 150 bucks. That coupler, the nut, and the key, that thing there. So the bore is messed up here. The shaft, I mean, this shaft. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to use the same coupler. I'm gonna install it. I already made a mark here. I'm gonna put another mark somewhere here. I'm gonna measure it up. I'm gonna drill a hole, make a thread, so the bolt goes in this groove right here and presses that. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work, and I'm pretty sure it will work. And I want to know how long that's gonna work for. It doesn't mess up the shaft. The shaft is already messed up. I've got nothing to lose here. If it doesn't work, I'll just buy a whole new kit for 150 bucks. 168 with tax, they said. Anyways, hope it helps someone. Thanks for watching. Bye.